Instrumentation and control engineering is a branch of engineering which is a combination of electrical, measurements, control, and electronics engineering. Instrumentation and control engineering is a vast field which deals with automation, field instruments, and final control elements. They measure and control various parameters in process and manufacturing industries. Instrumentation and control engineers find their roles in power plants, chemical industries, automation sectors, oil and gas plants, and biomedical industries. They also find their roles in design and development of micro and nanotechnology.
Every industries need automation for improvement in efficiency, because of which IC is indispensable in all industries. It is similar to human brain of a human body. The Department of ICE has a Memorandum of Understanding with National Instruments, a top-notch multinational company. With reference to this MOU, students are given training beyond the syllabus at the end of every semester, based upon which they have CLAD, Certified LabVIEW Associate Developer Certification, which is very useful in getting core jobs.
Virtual Instrumentation Lab is fully air-conditioned, equipped with 30 PCs with installed licensed version of softwares like LabVIEW, MATLAB, Scilab, Multisim, IntelliSuite. The facilities in VI Lab are worth Rs 25 lakhs. Study materials for CLAD examination are also available in this lab.
Circuits and Instrumentation Lab. This lab is well furnished with good quality equipments like function generators, digital storage oscilloscopes, CROs, and various ICs. This laboratory aims to give learners an understanding of electronic devices and the skills needed to simulate, construct, and test a variety of electronic circuits used in industries.
Process Control Lab. From this lab, the students are benefited by learning mathematical modeling of various processes and obtaining the tuning parameters to control the process. They learn to control the major physical processes using scaled-down replicas of the process plants. The systems can be controlled by digital PID controller and computer. Process Control Lab gives a close light on the process like flow, level, temperature, and pressure. It enables the students to gain a vivid and comprehensive practical knowledge about the industrial requirements. They also learn to use various virtual simulation platforms such as MATLAB, SCADA, LabVIEW, etc. for the mathematical modeling of various processes.
E-Yantra Laboratory. It is set up in cooperation with IIT Bombay, is an all robotics setup lab. Students are encouraged to design and build various complex robots with all the components, from firebot kit to every robotic parts available at the students' disposal. The well-spaced National Instruments Lab is equipped with a range of National Instruments products such as Myrio, Elvis, MyDAC, LabVIEW, Multisim, and so on. Students are encouraged to make use of the resources offered by the department and make useful projects out of it.
Our department professor Dr. M. Shanmugavalli got a funding of Rs 27.4 lakhs from the Department of Science and Technology, Government of India, to carry out a project in nanosensing for biomedical applications. In that fund, she purchased the IntelliSuite software and hydraulic setup workbench, which is having a worth of 12 lakhs for the benefit of students.
The library of our IC department consists of both technical and non-technical books of all genre, and so that it will be useful for student accessibility and references.
Class committee meeting would be conducted once in every month, which bridges the gap between students and teachers in the aspect of improving learning and teaching. During class committee meet, the coordinators would drop in their suggestions and share their grievances, which would eventually reflect upon the classroom atmosphere.
The IC department has a public relations team which is exclusively by students for the students. Actually, it covers the achievements and placement details of students, and it also has some articles and arts by the students.
There are many core companies that are visiting our campus for placement drives every consecutive year, out of which remarkable ones are Zentron Labs, Econ Systems, VI Solutions, OptiThought, SyncSolve, and National Instruments. Other than this, the IT giant Infosys has been the slot one recruiter for more than a decade. The department has been showing the wide number of students getting placed with more than one offer when they are moving out of the campus. The department offers wide placement training opportunities for the students along with the internships during the course time.
Hi everyone. Now you can see I am standing in front of the ground. Yes, our department not only supports for studies, also great supports for sport. Our college provides us with sports with a good infrastructure. There are various games in our college like football, basketball, volleyball, and also tennis. We have a great sport.